Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We welcome you to our last matchup this Sunday. It's the NCF Lady Tigers versus the PU Lady Wolves. A great matchup between these two teams. At syempre, kasama niyo pa rin po kami para maghatid ng aksyon. Dito lang yan sa NCF Covered Court. I am Christina Alcanzo-Reyes. Ang nagpi is Rick Cuarta.
Ayan, team, talagang aabangan natin ang bakbakan between the Lady Wolves and the Lady Tigers because on the previous season of Bucal, sila ang nagharap sa ating championship. So, a big game for them this afternoon and let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng second win streak nila dito sa ating season na ito na pag-usapan nga natin dito when it comes to the PU Wolves. They have their 2 wins sa ating season na ito and on our side naman ng Lady Tigers, meron na silang isang panalo and they're seeking for their second win right this afternoon. And we are live on our live stream media. We have the Oragon Sports TV and the Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang kayo, mag-like, subscribe sa ating mga Facebook channel and also mag-comment kasi magsha-shoutout kami maya-maya.
Ayan, kaya Rick, abangan talaga natin ang bakbakang NCF Lady Tigers at BU Wolves. Pero ito, Rick, pag-usapan muna natin itong ating Lady Wolves na kung saan kahapon nakuha nga nila yung kanilang pangalawang panalo against the Ateneo Golden Knights and let's see kung ano yung naging preparation nila na ngayon makakatapat muli nila ang ating defending champion na NCF Lady Tigers. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Lady Wolves, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay. Hi Zay, ano update natin dyan?
Magandang magandang hapon sa inyo, Tin and Rick, and of course, magandang hapon sa ating viewers here on Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. I welcome you all to the most awaited game for this Sunday, the Bicol University Wolves and the NCF Tigers. I am your courtside reporter, Shula Marzay Miñano, bringing you updates galing sa Universidad ng Bicolandia. So far, so good nga ang nararamdaman ng Wolves as they won their previous battle. I hope you all can feel the excitement through the screen as we witness the Battle of the Clod. Are you all ready to witness whose teeth will sink deeper? If you are, sabay-sabay natin abangan kung sino ang magwawagi only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun nga, BU Wolves, they are now ready to fight against their opponent, which is the Lady Tigers. So yun nga, Tin, talagang maganda ang magiging matchup natin ngayong hapon na ito para sa ating last game. Nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-dedicated ang dalawang kupunan na ito. And on the side of the NCF Tigers, para makahingi tayo ng kanyang information about the team, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, at sa lahat na natutuparan sa atin live at One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. For the second game this season, they focus on their game system that Coach Borley has set. According to team captain Hiske Flores, their important preparation is the mental toughness of the team dahil ika nga niya, mas crucial ang game. Ang mind, since katatapos lang na provincial prisa, one of their teammates was injured and cannot play for this game. Dagdag panihis, they need to compose themselves para magawa ang game plan ni Coach Borley. They are continuously huwag maging complacent, paganahin ang communication inside the court at palaging magtiwala sa kanilang sarili. So for now, to the panel.
Dapat ang kanilang nakalaruin ngayong hapon na ito. Of course, sabi nga ni Kyla dito, enjoyed nga yung isa sa ating mga star players on the side of the NCF Tigers, which is Ray-Marie Bumbita, which is our best player of the game doon sa unang laro dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung magiging adjustment nila dito na wala ngayon si Bumbita sa lineup ng NCF Tigers. And now, our first set will start now. Hiske Flores, the team captain of the NCF Tigers, will now serve to start our first set.
Now Zoilo on the attack. Andun si Abitria. Zari mag-a-adjust. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Zoilo one more time. At ang first point ay mapupunta sa NCF Lady Tigers coming from that cross-court hit mula kay Vanessa Sari.
Yan si Vanessa Sari nga, yung ating star player ngayon on the side of the NCF Tigers. And they really need to look forward on the performance of Sari here this afternoon. Now again, Hiske serving. And it's still inside. A service ace coming from her. Straight points na nagagawa dito ng ating NCF Lady Tigers sa pagsimula ng ating first set. Again, she's on the service deck for a third serving. This time it's an error, so a bonus point for the Lady Wolves. Now Balderrama of the Wolves to serve. And that's an ace coming from the Lady Wolves. We are now tied on 2. Gandang bakbakan itong dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, siguradong na-miss ito ng supporters ng PU and NCF. Two of the great teams here at Bucal Season 5. Pero error nga. Maganda sequence si Balderrama. Bigayan nandito ng bonus point on each of the teams. Now, senior player Miranda will now serve the ball.
Valderrama setting up Ramirez. At nabakulan nga noon. Doon si Ramirez coming from that attack. So as we can see here, the players of the Lady Tigers is matataas talaga. They are using their height advantage here. So the Bicol University Wolves needs to adjust and needs to have a strong floor defense. Now Rojas will attack. Sari. Andoon si Tongko. Now Rojas. Masyadong malakas ang palo ngayon. That's why the point will go on the side of the Tigers.
So, tatlo lang ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Lady Tigers. 2 serving 5 now. Miranda again to serve.
So chance ball. Rojas soft touch. Andun si Sari. Now we have a long rally here. Rojas will try. And B Wolves makakakuha ng puntos. Rojas with that drop ball. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves. Flores setting up Brago, and Brago straight to the net. Straight to the net attempt coming from her. So, naibaba dito sa isa ang dapat habulin ng Wolves.
Now still on the line, Ramirez. And that's an ace coming from her, tying the game against the NCF Tigers. Now this is really worth to watch as these two teams head-to-head. This matchup. Now Ramirez.
What an attack coming from Blessy Abitria. Now, on the service line, we have Sari. Free ball ang bibigay ni Zoilo. Now, Whiskey giving it to Natasha K. Abitria. Makakakuha ng puntos. So, Abitria Sisters is on the court para dito sa Lady Tigers. So, free ball ang ibibigay dito ng Wolves. One more time for Blessy Abitria. This time, running attack naman ang ibibigay sa atin ni Abitria.
Hindi talaga nila hahayaan na makalimang dito ang ating Lady Wolves. So, dito ng NCF. Now, tumaas na sa 4 ang kalamangan ng NCF. Sari again to serve.
Now, Zoilo will give a free ball. Back to back. Free ball for both teams.
sa pagsimula ng ating first set. 5 naman agad ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. With that start, yung ating NCF Lady Tigers talaga nagpapakita ng magandang performance. Most especially yung mga star players dyan, just like the Abitria sister. And of course, Vanessa. On the other side, the Lady Wolves, maganda din naman yung performance to cope up with of the NCF Tigers.
The BU Wolves needs to adjust when it comes to their floor defense. Kasi di dito nakakagawa ng magandang play si Valderrama. Let's see kung anong adjustment coming from the timeout para dito sa Lady Wolves. Now Sari on the deck to serve.
Service ace coming from the NCF Tigers. Pinasimula ng kanilang set number 1. Let's see if they will still continue dominating this set. Sari again serving. Another service ace coming from hindi nga nila nakikita.
Sunod-sunod nga dito ang service ace ang pinapakawala ni Sari. Very little on the service line. Now, again, Sari on the deck to serve. Again, the BU Wolves needs to have a good first ball here para maputol dito ang momentum na ginagawa ng NCF Tigers. Granadilla. The ball is on the side of the Tigers. Now a chance for the Tigers here to score one more time. But this time, too much angle on Natasha Cable. Kay Abitria rather.
Now, yung Wolves. Medyo malaki yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But let's see if makakabawi sila. Now, Bumbi.
Now, Rojas with a swipe. Ando ng libero. But an error para kay Granadillo. Good decision but poor execution para kay Granadillo on that last play. Now, the ball is on the side of the Tigers right now. Brago on the service line and ready to serve.
Medyo kakaroon ng inside the court itong mga players ng ating Lady Wolves. Let's see. Dahil nga almost halfway na itong ating NCF Tigers and getting that set number 1. Brago again to serve.
Nagkahiyaan nga ang miscommunication on the side of the Tigers. That's why the point will automatically go on the side of the BU Lady Wolves. Now Rojas on the deck to serve. No room for error para dito sa Wolves. Kiski. Brandilius will try. The ball is on the side of Tigers. Kiski setting up Sari. Sari breaks down the wall.
Grabe yung mga attackers dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Most especially Vanessa Sari dito sa ating Bucal 5 dahil nga wala na dito si Bumbita at si Padike. She really steps up for the team. And that's an error coming from Abitria. 8 serving 60 now. Bradadilios to serve on the side of the Wolves. Again, the miscommunication on the side of the NCF Tigers. Medyo humahabol na ang ating Lady Wolves, but let's see if this will continue para mahabol ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Again, Bradadilios serving.
One more time for Zari. Grabe, mga frontline or backline dito si Zari talagang nagkakaroon ng magandang puntos. Mapapatawag ulit dito ng timeout ang BU Lady Wolves. They need to regroup here and to loosen up para makahabol dito sa lamangan ng NCF Tigers.
Yes nga, Rick, doon sa last ng mga sequence natin, itong ating Lady Wolves medyo nahihirapan doon sa mga service ng NCF Tigers. Nakahanapan sila lagi ng butas. But on the other side, the NCF Tigers is really dominating. And of course, with their strong attackers. Pinuunahan niya ni Vanessa Sari. But let's see. Makahabol tayo ng Lady Wolves. With not 8-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Now, okay, Abitria serving. After that timeout, hindi pa rin makuha dito ng Lady Wolves ang kanilang momentum. Again, the miscommunication on their side. Okay, Abitria again. Now, Sari. Ball is still alive here. Bibigay dito ng free ball, Bravo.
Grabe, pumalo na nga si Hiski. Ring setter para dito sa NCF Tigers.
The versatility among the players of the NCF is really visible. Okay, Abitria again. Malinamas na sa Ramirez. Block na yung Miranda. Oli. No more. They will try again this time. Valderrama. Now, Sari. This time. Pasok kaya para sa NCF Tigers. Grabe yung mga center natin dito. Pumapalo na. Flores and Valderrama. Pinapakita talaga ng mga players na to ang kanilang versatility when it comes to playing volleyball. Again, a point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 9 serving 21. Only 4 points away. The NCF Tigers will get their first win. Well, let's see as Bilardo will enter on the side of the Lady Wolves. Now, Kay Abitria again. And it's still inside. Kanina pa to. Lot of service aces coming from the NCF Tigers. Medyo hindi na nga nakukuha ng BU Wolves yung mga service sa likod. But now let's see. Rojas, the back, inside of the BU Wolves. Again, Abitria. Now Flores to Miranda. Good save.
Now, a lucky break para dito sa Lady Wolves. Gate rejection at the net para doon kay Ramirez. Now, Belardo on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves. defended by Belardo. Kailangan kita ng magandang depensa ng ating Lady Wolves. They are down by 13 here. And another error was committed by the Wolves here. That's why NCF Lady Tigers is now on set point. Flores on the deck to serve. Another beautiful serve. Rojas will try at the back and Rojas will score.
Hindi na nila pinapamadali itong NCF Tigers in getting that first set. Now, with that 1 point of the NCF Tigers, well, the PU Wolves still get the point here. Flores sets up for Sari.
Free ball ngayon para sa Wolves. Valderrama in the middle. Bantay sarado nga doon. Si Ramirez, that's why set 1 ay mapupunta sa Lady Tigers. 25-11. We will be right back for our set number 2 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kapitbahay.
set of the matchup of the NCF Tigers and the Lady Wolves. The NCF Tigers dominated the first set, ending it 25-11. So now, para makahingi tayo kung ano nga ba yung magiging gameplay second set ng NCF Lady Tigers. Makita natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second set of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the Lady Tigers. We can see na halos mapuno na tayo ng NCF fans dito sa loob ng covered court and full force ang ating Tigers community. During the huddle, they are reminded to lessen their error, just focus on the game and apply their game plan. Kaya naman sabi ni Hiski during the interview kanina, kailangan nilang i-compose ang kanilang sarili para magawa ang game plan ni Coach Porty. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carla, for that update. So yun nga, composure inside the court para magawa ang game plan dito para sa ating Lady Tigers. That's why, let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang kanilang plays to get this set number 2. Taabangan naman natin dito ang side ng Bicol Lady Wolves kung kukunin ba nila dito ang set number 2. At para makaingi tayo ng update sa side ng Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Zay. Hi, Zay. Anong update dyan?
The Wolves were quite lost during the first few minutes of the first set. They had a few setbacks probably because of the pressure. It's a good thing that Coach Miggy gave his players a boost of confidence, advising them to relax and calm down. Hopefully we encounter a much more paced and strategized pack. They're still starting to adjust as we start the second set. Let's all hope for the best and cheer on our Universidad ng Bicolandia. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Ramdam ng pressure itong ating Lady Wolves. Ngayon na nakalaban nila ang ating NCF Tigers, pero payo pa nga dyan ni Coach na just relax and enjoy the game against the NCF Tigers. With that, doon nga sa ating pagsimula ng second set, momentum is on the side of the NCF Tigers, getting it a 3-0 nothing run against the BU Wolves. Now Zamudio serving. A miscommunication again on the side of the Lady Wolves. Mukhang hanggang ngayon ay problema at pressure pa rin sila. This is not the game of the Lady Wolves, so let's see what will be their adjustment at this point. Samudi again, serving. Valderrama sets up for Ramirez. Block by Santos. Sunod na makapunas dito ng ating NCF Tigers. 5-0 for our set 2. Again, Zamudio. Valderrama. And another point on the side of the NCF Tiger. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang Lady Wolves. Mahalap ang kanilang momentum. Simula pa doon sa ating set number 1. Zamudi again. This time, breaking. Straight points on the NCF. This is the chance of the Lady Wolves. Gain a point. Now, Zoilo, team captain of the BU. Short for Servidad. Servidad to try again. Pero wrong direction of set. Para dito kay Zamudio. Walang tao doon sa kabilang side. Now, Lady Wolves. Zoilo. But that's an error. Very crucial one on the side of the Lady Wolves na kaya nagkahabol sila. Now, Santos to serve. But that's outside. Bonus point for the side of the Lady Wolves. 7, serving for Ramirez. Serving. Zamudio sets up for Servidad. Pero net violation on the side of the NCF Tigers. Nahabol na nga ng Lady Wolves ang kalamangan na yun at naibaba na sa 2.
Ramirez on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves. Zamudio setting up her teammate. Buhay pa rin dito ang bola. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Pero access denied para kay Rojas.
Now Antang.
Babawiin dito pero andon ang players ng NCF. Free ball para sa Wolves. Valderrama in the middle. Branadillos makakakuha ng score.
Now Oli serving. And outside, so a bonus point for the NCF Tigers. Servidad serving. And that's an ace. Gaining again a momentum on the side of the NCF Tigers. 10 serving 6. 4-point lead on the side of the ladies. But at this time, too much power in that one. Now Rojas.
Zamudio setting up kay Abitria. What a nice day coming from Rojas. And some error coming from Zoilo. Again, unforced error. Hindi ito nakakatulong on the side of the Lady Wolves.
Again, a point on the side of the NCF Tigers. 12 serving 7. Still, nahihirapan dito ang ating Lady Wolves to maintain their momentum. Now, 1-2 play from Valderrama. The NCF didn't anticipate that. Now, Branadillos will serve the ball on the Lady Wolves side.
Zamudio to Abitria. Another great dig coming from Rojas. Zamudio giving it to her middle pero bantay sarado ni Ramirez coming from that last play. Great block para dito kay Ramirez.
Again, Branadillos on the service deck. Just 3 points ang hinahabol dito ng Lady Wolves. Vitriel with that soft touch, finding that gap against the Lady Wolves. Now, Vitriel serving. Ramirez will try. Zamudio 1-2 play. And Zoilo. Finished that rally. Now still 3-point lead coming from the NCF. Valderrama now. Zamudio to attack. With a powerful attack.
Four-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng NCF Lady Tigers. Zamudio on the deck to serve para sa kanilang kupunan. Valderrama setting up Oli. Now Servidad will try. Andun si Rojas. One more time for Zoilo this time. Another score para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers. Papatapos na dito ng timeout sa side ng BU Lady Wolves. Medyo lumalaki na kasi dito ang alamangan ng Lady Tigers.
Yes, Rick, and of course, as we can see, medyo nahihirapan pa rin dito ang ating Lady Wolves to find their rhythm. And medyo marami na nga yung errors na nagagawa nila and miscommunication inside the court. On the other hand, the NCF Tigers, with their second six, still dominating this set. So, at this point, what will be the adjustment of the Lady Wolves para makabalik at magbigay ng magandang laro against the NCF Tigers? Now we are back on the ball game with NCF Tigers with a gap of 5 points. Zamudio now to serve.
And a score, courtesy. Good timeout para dito sa Lady Wolves. Now Zoilo on the deck to serve para sa BU Lady Wolves. Great serve. Now Servidad. Nandun si Zoilo. Rojas magbibigay ng free ball. Zoilo setting up Rojas. Free ball. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Wala long rally. And Oli straight to the net attack. Again, the BU Lady Wolves needs to have a strong offense para makadikit dito sa NCF Lady Tigers.
That's a point for the side of the Lady Wolves. 16 serving 12. Now Ramirez. And it's still inside. The service ace coming from her. Now both teams eager to have a point right now. Ramirez.
Rojas will try. And Oli will score. Humahabol na dito ang Lady Wolves. 16-14 sa ating talaan. Ito ang dapat gawing play ng ating Lady Wolves para makahabol dito sa ating NCF Lady Tigers. But unfortunately, Ramirez magkakaroon ng service error.
Now, Antang. It's still inside. Service ace coming from her. Now, just 7 points away. The NCF Tigers will get again this set number 2, but let's see if the Lady Wolves hahabol sa puntos ng Tigers. Antang again. Aldanama sets up Ollie now. Block. Rojas will try.
Another score for the NCF Lady Tigers. Papatawag nga dito ulit ng timeout sa side ng BU Lady Wolves. 19-14 sa ating talaan. Ayan, team. Let's give credits sa ating mga live viewers dito na talaga namang nakatutok. Simula game 1 up until this last game. At pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Bigs, Havaianas, Aricus, Liman, Meat Shop, Willprint, Ateneo de Naga University, ACLC, Naga, and Converge. Thank you so much po.
Now we're back on. Let's see anong gagawin dito. Adjustment ng Lady Wolves to lessen their error. And we have a good communication inside the court as Antang again will serve for the side of the NCF. Valderrama. Agad naman nakakuha ng puntos ang Lady Wolves after the time out. Now Ollie. Sumudio to Apitria. Ganda naman binawi ng NCF. Yung puntos na yan. 5 point away. Now let's see if NCF will end this match or this set against the Lady Wolves. Rojas will bigay ng free ball. Now Zamudio sets up for Abitria. Too short for that one. And the point will go on the side of the Lady Wolves. Now Rojas. Courtesy for Branadillos. They still have a chance here for our second set. Again, Rojas.
Zamudio setting up Abitria. And again, very effective kay Abitria. Always spiking the ball on that down the line hit. Now Rojas will set para dito sa Lady Wolves. We have a rally here. And again, kay Abitria. Another score for the Lady Tigers here. 3 points away on getting the set number 2.
Ronaldillos with that serve. Vitria again attacking. One more time for Vitria, but this time it's outside. Point for the side of Ronaldillos. Side. Vitria. From the Tigers now. Zamudio. Zoilo. (24) serving 20. Valderrama will be back again on the court. Now she will serve ball.
And Antang ended this second set with that hit, 25-20. Abangan natin ang ating third set sa pagbabalik only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
one of the matchup of the NCF Lady Tigers and the PU Lady Wolves. And the NCF Tigers still dominating the second set, ending at 25-20. Now, let's see, ano kaya maging adjustment dito ng ating Lady Wolves? At para makalit tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Lady Tigers, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Ay, Kyla, na-update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the third set of this match-up. Patuloy nga ang pag-arangkada ng Lady Tigers sa set 2 dahil sila pa rin ang nanaig sa set 2 sa score na 25-20. Patuloy nilang inaalala lahat ng reminders at game plan na sinet ni Coach Porley, kaya naman nasungkit nila ang second set. They are continuously reminded to be consistent on what they are showing. Iwasan pa rin ang error at ituloy-tuloy ang magandang nasimulan. During the second set, we've witnessed that even the rookies for this season like Kisha Abitria, Servidad, Valdez, and other rookies are contributing. Team chemistry has seen on the performance of the Lady Tigers. Magtuloy-tuloy kaya ang kanilang momentum? Yan ang ating dapat abangan. For now, back to you, Kentin.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan dito maging consistent ng ating NCF Lady Tigers if they want to finish strong this game. Abante na nga dito ng dalawa ang Wolves and Valderrama on the deck to serve. A very good start para dito sa BU Wolves. And to hear an update sa side ng Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
It's like sa mga naririnig ko, dito sa loob ng court, lumalamig ang ihip ng hangin, pero nag-iinit naman ang labanan ng dalawang teams na ito. Especially that the Wolves are now aware that there's a certain spot na tinatarget ng Lady Tigers, which is the down the line. What they should do for now is adapt to the game. And sabi nga ni Coach, lift your feelings up, since at the end of the day, positive thinking can always make the battle seem a little bit better. That'll be all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, dito nga sa pagsisimula ng ating third set, the PU Lady was dominating it with a straight 5 points. 0 for the NCF Tigers, and I hope that this would be the momentum on the side of the BU Wolves. They just need to be consistent. Now again, Valderrama serving. But this time, it's an error. Giving the floor on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, the first 5 of the NCF is back again on the court. Miranda to serve. Ball dito, Miranda. Bibigay dito kay Sari. Catch up by Nunez. Miranda. Sari will try again. Sayang yun. Bernadillos didn't get it. Miranda again to serve. And it's still inside. The PU Lady was celebrating that little wins. Six serving 2. This is the Lady Wolves we've all been waiting for. Now Bernadillos. Ball still alive here. Valderrama. Zoilo. Block. We'll try again here. A miscommunication on the side of the NCF Tigers. Na medyo nagkakagulo nga doon sa kanilang side sa pagsimula pa lang ng ating set number 3. Now PU. Bernadillos serving. Rago will try. Zoilo. And again, that point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Or the side of the BU Wolves rather.
Ayan, we can see the aggressiveness inside the court para dito sa BU Lady Wolves. Ang gandang start. Ang gandang start dito para sa ating Lady Wolves. Flores setting up Zari. And Sari finally gets a score coming from that cross-court hit.
Pinasok na nga muli dito yung ibang kasali sa second 6, Servidad and Kay Abetria. Now, Sari serving. And that's a service ace. Coming from Vanessa Sari. Oh, mahabol na nga dito ang ating NCF Lady Tigers. Hindi dapat pakawalan ng BU Wolves ang kalamangan na meron sila if they really wanted to make it up until the set number 5. Sari. Again, a service ace coming from her. Only 3 points away to catch up with the score of the BU Wolves here for our third set. Again, Sari. Serving. Valderrama sets up for Ramirez. Zoilo for a soft touch. Good save from the NCF. Back row attack. And the ball is still alive here. Valderrama sets up for Zoilo one more time. Sari again, straight through the net. Ending that set, or ending that rally. Gaining a point on the side of the BU Wolves. 9 serving 5, still on the lead. BU Lady Wolves. Now Zoilo. Again, straight through the net for the side of the NCF Tigers. Ilang error na sila dito. Now, Zamudio will enter. Flores, lalabas muna. Very good comeback for the BU Wolves, and they just need to be consistent if they want to stay with that gap. But with that last sequence, Zoilo, an error was committed.
Now, Servidad on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers. Sila ngayon ang naghahabol dito sa ating third set. Now Rojas will give a free ball on the side of the Lady Tigers. Zamudio setting up Abitria and Abitria. Get a score.
Servidad again to serve. But an error on the side of the NCF. Now BU Wolves. Third step still on their side. Okay.
Valderrama setting up Rojas. But Rojas committed an error para doon sa atake ngayon. Now Abitria. The service line para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers.
Mahabol na nga ang ating NCF Tigers. Dalawa na lamang dito. Kailangan nila para makahabol sa puntos ng BU Wolves. But with that service of Ibitria, BU Wolves gain a bonus point here. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve.
Zamudio setting up Miranda. This time, chance ball ulit dito ng Wolves. So Granadillos is down para dito sa BU Wolves. So Granadillos is shaking her feet now and okay naman siya dito. Patuloy ang laban para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Lady Wolves, hawak pa din nila dito ang kalamangan. Now, Kay Abitria on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers. Rojas, soft touch. Andun si Miranda. And Sari flying and scoring para dito sa Lady Tigers. Grabe. What an attack.
Dahil nga dyan, Rick, napatawag na ng timeout itong ating BU Lady Wolves dahil nga yung 5 kalamangan kanina naibaba na lamang sa 5 with that strong attacks coming from the NCF Lady Tigers. Now let's see what will be the gameplay of the BU Wolves to stay on top dito sa ating set number 3. Or will the NCF Tigers magpapatuloy sa pagkuha ng puntos and get this set para maipanalo itong matchup against the BU Lady Wolves. So now we are back on the ball game. Kaya Petrea to serve. Will they tie the game here? Almost an ace. Rojas dribble dito.
Setting up Rojas. For Sari to score and then si Valderrama. Now Zoilo setting up Rojas. Yes, will score. Ayaw nila dito. Ibigay ang kalamangan sa Lady Tigers. Ito ang kailangan dito ang gawin ng ating Lady Wolves. But they need to be consistent. They want to get the set number 3.
Now Rojas on the line to serve. And that's a service ace coming from her. Now again, Rojas. Sorry again to try. That's still inside. Point for the side of the NCF Tigers. 14 serving 12. Still on the lead ang ating BU Lady Wolves. Now Zamudio. Loyal lang magbibigay dito ng free ball.
Setting up Zari pero andun si Rojas. Now chance again for the Tigers to score. Combination play. But Rojas
Let's see if they can tie this game or the VO Wolves hindi papayag. Now Zamudio on the deck to serve. Yan nga, hindi nayaan dito ng PU Wolves na lumamang o makahabol lamang ang NCF Tigers. Sari. No good. This time. Again, 1-point lead coming from the PU Wolves. This time, will the NCF Tigers tie the game? Sari with a strong attack, and that's it. The NCF Tigers tie the game against the PU Wolves. 15 all. Now, delikado na ito dahil alam naman natin na kayang humabol. Nakapuntos pa ang NCF Tigers. So the Lady Wolves needs to be careful. No more errors. More on the floor defense. Rojas with a soft touch. Sari to try, but this time it's outside. So the lead will be still on the side of the BU Wolves. Now Branadillos, 16, serving 15. Servidad. Paganama sets up for Zoilo. And that's it. Another point for the side of the BU Wolves. Comparing the set 1 and set 2, they are more relaxed playing this time. Now this is what they needed. Santos will be joining the NCF. No, Branadillos again to serve. And the point coming from Santos. We're again on that scene where the NCF isa lamang hinahabol. Now Sari. And that's a service ace coming from her. Tied again at 17 all. Now let's see. 17-17. Sari again to serve. That's it, nakuha na nga ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang unang kalamangan dito sa ating third set. 18 serving 17 in favor of the Lady Tigers. Will it be the start for this NCF Tigers getting this momentum? Pero after that one, tied again on 18. Nagkakalayo dito ang puntos ng dalawang kupunan na ito as we are going near the end of our set number 3. Now, team captain Zoilo to serve. With that error coming from the libero. Serve that, find that hole on the side of the Rio Wolves. Tying again the game. So this is a very unpredictable set. Serve that again. This time it's outside. Now the PU Wolves at this moment need to tighten their defense if they really want to have this lead and to gain this set this time. Granadillos. Pero agad naman binawi yan ang NCF Tigers. For the F time. We are tied again. 20 all.
Very close fight set number 2 for this both teams. Yun, Bless Arbitria is back on court para dito sa Lady Tigers. Ang laban talagang dikit dito ang scores. Dalawang kapag na ito. Valderrama with a 1-2 play dun sa Naranga. Okay, Arbitria was big by Zorlo. Now Rojas. Straight to the top. Nag-error para dito sa din agad dito si Rojas. Again, red flag on 21.
Go will now enter inside of the BU Wolves in exchange of Ramirez. Now let's see what will be her contribution on the BU Wolves. As we are now tied again, 21 all. Macro attack. And the ball is still alive here. With that save coming from Valderrama, miscommunication again on the side of the BU Wolves. Sayang yun, napakaganda sana ng pagkaka-save ni Valderrama sa bolang yun. But still, isang putos lang naman dito ang kanilang hinahabol. But that's a very crucial error. And it's still inside. Binawi naman agad ni Valderrama. 22 all. Now let's see, a very crucial one here. No more errors at this point. 22 all. Rojas. A very crucial error coming from her. This point in time, the NCF Lady Tigers can see it. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito sa side ng PU Wolves. Rojas gaining a lot of errors in this set. Well, let's see. Grabe yung paghabol dito ng NCF Lady Tigers. They are just 2 points away and getting this third set again. And they might win this matchup against the BU Wolves, but let's see. Kayang humabol dito ng BU Wolves and change this momentum. At this point, no more errors on their side.
Let's go, Tigers!
ng Zamudio. Good save by Valderrama. At this point, again, the NCF Tigers as match point. Only 1 point. And they will go home with their second win this season. Valderrama sets up Zoilo through the blockers. Now, kailangan na lang nila ng isa to extend the game for this third set. Now, Aleja. Now, kailangan niya lang dito ng service ace. Specialist on that one. And that's a service ace coming from her. We're just talking about it. Aleja did it again. Gaining his service ace, extending the third set to 24-all. Grabe, our third set, napakainit na bakbakan between these two teams.
They're all tied up at 24 and extended set number 3. What a game para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. PU Wolves talagang napupukayan na dito sa laro nito on the side of the NCF Tigers. They've committed a lot of unforced errors. Now, it's a matter of consistency. Kanino kaya
But also, let's comment the performance of Valderrama dito sa ating third set. Grabe din yung ginawa niya ng paghahabol. Trying to save the ball. Again, extended game. Very crucial error again. Walang bantay sa likod. Now the NCF match point again. 24-25. Let's see. Will they end this? Will they end it this time, or the BU Wolves still extend this game? Miranda. Soft touch. Three-boy bibigay dito. Valderrama, 1-2 play. And that's it. The NCF Lady Tigers got their third win this season of Bucal. Still a great third set for the BU Wolves. Sa ating pupulbalik, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Flowers will say at Tugong Tigre nga ang nangitbaba for this game. Here with me as the best player of the game, jersey number 5 with 19 points, 12 attacks, and 7 service aces. She's none other than Sheena Vanessa Sari. Hello, Sheena. How does it feel na ito na ang inyong pangalawang panalo for this season?
Siyempre po masaya kasi yung panalo po na to talagang hinahandaan namin and ang dami pa po naming laro pero sinisingit din namin yung Bucal and yun po, masaya kasi nanalo.
At dahil grabe, sobrang ginalingan mo for this game, matanong ko lang, ano ba yung personal preparations and mindset mo every sumasalang ka sa game?
Yung mindset ko talaga po every game is, yun nga po, yung manalo and ibigay lang yung best every game and yun lang po.
Kaya naman kitang-kita kung gaano mo ginaling. At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po pala yung family ko and papa and mama ko andyan nanonood. Hi! Thank you po kasi nandito sila and nag-support sa akin and yun lang po. Na-appreciate ko po yung family ko. Yung kuya ko po nauna na eh. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 5 of Naga College Foundation, Sheena Vanessa Sari. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Nakilala nga natin ang ating best player of the game na si Vanessa Sari. Grabe, 19 points ang na-produce niya this game. Talagang binigyan tayo ng magandang laban between the Wolves and the Tigers. So, aabangan natin ang next game sa ating next week matchup. So, aabangan natin yan dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Again, congratulations to the NCF Lady Tigers. Mapapanood niyo po ang mga bakbakan ng kada teams. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.